Yeah.
This is my Git bash.
Okay. Yes. LS. Yeah. Did you create your account? GitHub account? Did you create your GitHub account?
Yes, I did.
Can you open that? Yeah. Copy this. Copy this repository. Yeah. Copy this repository. Yeah. Click their copy button.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Okay. Use the command git clone. Already exist in our empty directory. LS. There is a MJ DevOps class. Right. CD MJ DevOps class. Right side. Right side. Right side. Go a little bit right. Right. Hari.txt. Yeah. There is a MJ DevOps. In the below of Hari.txt. Yeah. So can you go to that command? Can you go to that directory CD MJ DevOps class? Type the command CD. No need to copy. You can use the tab, right? CD space MJ. You can use the tab button in the keyboard. MJ. Yeah, you can write. You can type MJ. You can use the tab button. Hold on. Tab button. There is a tab button in the caps lock above the keyboard.
Yeah,
Yeah. Double click. Yes. MJ DevOps class. DevOps class. Yeah, hit enter.
do I need to put the slash?
No need to put. You can. That is optional. Yeah, you see. So now you are in the Git repository. It shows right main. After
Okay.
MJ DevOps class main, that is a Git repository. How you can recognize? So there will be a main or master will be adding after the repository. Okay,
So,
ls-la.
so if you want to change directory, like to go to your repository, you need to write CD, the name of your repository, to go there.
Yes. ls-la.
This?
Yes, ls-la. Enter. Yeah. So Git is installed on this MJ DevOps class. So now you can try to create a file. Touch mj.txt
Harry, please,
Victoria
what is
City.
the ls -la command?
So it will list the hidden files. I already told you, right? How to hide the file and hide the file by using move command. So I want to see if you know if you execute the ls command, it will not shows the hidden files. If you want to see the hidden files also, so you can use the command ls-la.
Okay.
Okay, touch mj.txt. Hit enter. It's created. Git status. Git is recognizing your new file, your newly created file. Let's see. Git status. Yeah, it is not recognized, right? So no commit yet. So what is that? Untracked file. So Git is not tracking this file. How it will be Git? So how you can recognize the Git by using add and commit. There will be a so then Git will be recognized, right? Git add.
But one
Git
more question,
space
please,
add.
Harry. Larry, one more question, please, Harry.
Yeah.
This what's it? This touch mj.tx. Did she just what did she do here by not only that MJ? What was the reason? Because
That's the file.
huh?
That's a new file. I created the new file named.
Okay, that's a new file you created. Okay,
Yes,
I got you.
yes.
Okay.
Git add space file name. Yeah, hit enter. Now again you can check the Git status. Is Git recognized this file? Let's check it. Yeah. So now from untracked to tracked but not committed. So how you can commit this file to Git by using the git commit command. Git commit space -m. -m is nothing but a message. -m is nothing but argument. What argument you are passing? Just
Yeah.
m, letter m. M space.
You said the yum is what?
M is nothing but a message. You are passing a message
Okay, just letting
with the
them know you're
commit.
passing the message. Okay.
Yeah. Space, double quotes, within the double quotes, first commit. Space, double quotes. Yeah. First commit. Within the double quotes, there is a first commit. Then file name. Space, file name. Yeah. Next, hit enter. Yeah, it's showing what it's showing. You can read it. Author identity unknown. Who is committing to that Git local repository? So your username, email address not specified, right, to the repository. So how you can specify by using those two commands? Git config --- global user is there, right? Copy that first command. So within the double quotes, you can provide your email address. Copy, then save, paste. Yeah, double click. Yeah. Or yeah. So in the double quotes, you can type your Vicky Johnson at 558. Yes, hit enter. Yeah. So up arrow, you can up arrow in the keyboard. There is up arrow, right? Navigational keys up arrow. Yeah. Remove everything. So instead of
So,
user.email, you can use the user.name. Within the double quotes, you can write the name, your name, Vicky Johnson or something like Vicky,
so
whatever
he
the
can change.
username.
So he can change the email to any name, right?
Yeah, not. So email to
So
name. You can replace
okay,
that name, email to name. Remove
okay.
that email.
Yeah.
Remove that email.
Yeah, I've done
No,
that.
no, no. In the email, user.email is there, right? Before the double quotes. Before the double quotes.
Oh,
Before
okay.
the
The
double
user.
quotes. Yeah. User. You can delete that email. Write the name. In the double quotes, you can provide your name.
So this replaces the email information, right?
Yeah, email and name information. Who committed,
So
when it will be committed. Now you can try to execute that git command. Up arrow, up arrow, up arrow. There is a git command. Up arrow, up arrow. Yes, hit enter. Who is committing? So MJ Johnson is committing. Right. Git log. Now you can execute that command git log. Git space log. Yeah, enter. Yeah. So git log, who committed? So committed author. MJ Jameson. When it was committed, what is the commit name, commit message name, first commit.
so
Right.
what's the meaning of the git
Now
log?
now you can sorry.
What's the meaning of the git log?
So git log is nothing but a so it will provide the commit ID. It will provide the commit ID and author name and the date and the commit message. Right.
And
GitLab
the
provides
current message.
who commit the code, who commit that file.
Okay.
Okay.
Who
Now
is
Git status.
okay. Okay.
Now Git status. Yeah. See, nothing to be commit. Nothing to be commit. Working tree is clean. So there is no untracked file. That Git recognizes the mj.txt. Now you want to push this mj.txt to your Git repository, your remote repository. How you can push it? Git remote -v. Git, so you can check it the remote repository name. Git remote space -v. So what is your Git remote repository name? It will show in this command. Hit enter.
Oh, okay.
Hit
I
enter.
don't need to type it in.
Hit enter. Hit enter. Yeah. So this is the GitHub repository. So what is the GitHub repository? GitHub.com mj58 mj DevOps class dot git. That is the repository. So if you want to push that whatever in the local repository, it will push to the remote repository. What is the command? Can you go to the browser? Can you go to the browser? Yeah, that git branch -m main, right? You can you can execute that command. Copy paste. Yeah, then you can execute the git push. Go to the browser. Browser. Yeah, git push -u origin. Yes. Yeah, it in the right side. The status bar there is a opened after Zoom it opened a GitHub. Can you open this one?
This one?
No, after that. After that, there is a Git symbol, right? There is a Git symbol. The last one. After Zoom, yes, that one. Click that one.
Oh,
Yeah, click that token. There is a option token. Yes. So you already copied your token, right? Paste your
yeah.
token. Yes, copy, paste it here. Sign in. This is the authentication for the GitHub account. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's you see git push -origin main. So enumerating objects 3 done, counting objects 100. So writing objects total 3, push it to new branch. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now you are in the which branch? You are in the main branch. Remote branch is nothing but a main branch. So how to check now you are in which branch? Git -branch. Git space branch. No. No, there is no hyphen. Just git branch. Just git branch. Hit enter. Yeah, now you are in the main branch. It shows main, right? In the green symbol. Star,
Yeah.
star, it shows you are in the main branch. Okay. How to check the branch? So now you are in the which branch? You are in the Git branch. I will show you. You will understand. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you go to the browser? Yeah. Now check it. Your repository. Yeah. mj.txt file is uploaded from your local repository to remote repository. Now you
Okay.
understood?
Yes.
So you can create a file here. Add a file here. Add a file. Add a file. Yes. Add a file. Create a new file. So create a new file. So there is a mj DevOps. So after there is a slash, right? Yeah. Okay. So there is a mj DevOps, right? There is a starting. There is mj DevOps. Edit before. Yeah. After that. Yeah, you can provide the name.
Oh, okay.
You can create the name. Same like as mj.txt. Whatever you want. Yeah. So now you added the files, right? So you want to commit them changes. right? So this is the GUI. So what you did before CLI. Now you are doing through GUI. So in the right side there is a commit changes. Yeah, commit changes. Yeah, commit. Now you can check it. MJ class DevOps. Can you go to the MJ class DevOps directory? Yes. Yeah, you see. So what is the branch? You see there is a branch main. You see the branch MJ JSON 58 before. Yeah, that is the main branch. So you uploaded to which branch? Main branch. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you can stop sharing. I will share. So yeah, now you can. So now you want to pull the new changes, whatever the remote repository. So in your local repository, what are the files is there? Only one file, right? Victoria, mj.txt. But in our
Yeah.
remote repository, we have a two files. You want to download those files, whatever the remote repository files are there. I need to download all the files into my local repository. What is the command? Git push
Git
is to push the git pull. You can execute the git pull. You can execute the git pull command. Just git hyphen pull and
You
let's
want me to
check.
share?
Yeah, you can share. Yeah. Now go to the yes. Git yes pull. Yes. Hit enter. Yes. So there is a one file changed, one instruction added, right? That mj.txt. Now ls. Yeah. So you have two files. So the same, whatever the files are there in the remote repository, you are synced with the local repository, right? Whatever the files there in the remote repository, you have the files, right?
Okay.
For example, Pow also working on the same repository. So something like mine, you, Pow. We three are working on the one of the organization and we are working on that repository, the same repository, MJ DevOps class. Okay. So
Yeah.
I worked on some of the files and I pushed in the remote repository. Same Pow also worked on some of the project and you push it to the same repository, MJ DevOps class. So you want both the changes or whatever uploaded home, Pow, whatever uploaded me. So how we can pull those changes from that repository by using git pull, right?
Yeah.
So how you can push it? You can push by using the git push command. How you can add your files? You can add the files through the git add and git commit. Then you can git push, git pull. Okay, understood? Git add
Yes.
and git commit, git status, git branch. These are the commands from you are using in the local repository for local repository purpose. For git push and git pull, you are using for the remote repository, right?
Yeah.
So Git pull is to upload and the push is to download, like you said.
No, pull is to download. Push is to upload.
Yes.
Push is to upload. Pull is to download. Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm sharing my screen to you guys. Okay, please stop sharing. Oh,
I
yeah,
wasn't
let
sharing. I
me
think Victoria was the one sharing.
git add. 1 second.
I've stopped sharing.
Yeah, you stopped sharing. I see that one. Let me add those two and Git commit, 1 second, a copy, then git commit, paste. What is it? Git clone, git pull, git checkout, git add, git commit, git clone, git pull, git push, right? Yeah. 1 second, right? Once. Yeah. This is the git push, copy. Yeah, git push, paste it. There's another one, just new slide. 1 second. Go to commands. What is this guys? Git branch. Yep. Copy. Close. Just close. Add. Yes. We want to move this. Git checkout. Next class. 1 second, guys. I'm dragging that. Git commit. Right. Yeah. Git commit. Git push. This is git push, right, guys? Git push. Dragging git push. Yeah. Git branch. Git branch. There is a git merge, guys. Git merge, right? Yeah. Now I'm sharing, guys. Please let me know. Are you able to see my screen? Yes, able to see, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So 7 important Git commands, guys. What are those? Git clone. What is clone, guys? So Git clone. Git clone copies an existing Git repository into a new local repository. Git clone copies an existing remote repository, Git remote repository into new local repository, right? So the git clone command will create a new local repository for the repository, copy all the contents of the specified repository. If something, if mj.txt, mjjson.txt also there in the git repository. So if you execute the git clone, it will create a new local repository for the repository, copy all the content of the specified repository, right? Whatever the files are there, it will be also copied. It will also copy to the remote repository. The contents of the specified repository create the remote tracked branches and check out an initial branch locally. So something like what is that command, guys? Git clone a repository URL. What is that? Git clone a repository URL. Git pull. The git pull command retrieves and downloads the content from the remote repository and updates to the local repository. Now you understood? Git pull. The git pull command retrieves and downloads the content from the remote repository and updates the local repository as soon as it has been downloaded. So in the Git-based collaboration workflows, it is the command to merge the remote repository upstream changes into your local repository. So what is the command, guys? Git pull. Git pull. Git checkout. So what is the git checkout command, guys? Git checkout command navigates between the two different branches. So in the Git branch, it shows the Git branch. So if you want to create a new branch, if you want to create a new branch, so you are in the main branch, right? So you want to create a new branch, you can create the new branch, Git checkout. I should be command. I will show. Git checkout command to navigate between the two different branches in a Git repository.
Okay.
Checkout is used to view and make changes to a different branches. You can check out past commit into the repository to view how your project appeared in that state. Something like git checkout branch. So it will something like now you are in the main branch, right? You want to move to another branch. So the command is get checkout branch name. So if you want to create a new branch, so main is the branch. You want to create a same like as a main branch. Git checkout -b branch name. What is the command, guys? Git checkout -b branch name. Git add. So what is the git add command? Git add command adds a new or changed file in your working directory to Git staging area. The git add command adds a new or changed files in our working directory to the Git staging area. So as you are working, you are change and save the file or multiple files. So then before you commit, you must git add. This step allows you to choose what you are going to commit. What is that? Git add file name. So if you want to add multiple files, you can use the git add dot. It will add number of files. Git commit. Git commit is used to record the changes. Record the changes in the repository. Git command is used to record the changes in the repository. Every commit contains the index data and the commit message. Index data and commit message, and every commit from a parent-child relationship. So when we add a file in Git, it will take place in the staging area. It will take place in the staging area. A commit command is used to fetch upstream, fetch updates from the staging area to repository, local repository. Git add, it will be added to the staging area. It will take place in the staging area. If you use a commit command, is used to fetch the updates from the staging area to local repository. So git commit -m is the argument, -m is nothing but a message. What is the commit message? So git commit -m message, the command. Git push. A git push command, when executed, pushes the changes that the user has made on our local machine. The git push command, when executed, pushes the changes that the user has made on the local machine to the remote repository. So once the user have once the user have cloned the remote repository and have made the necessary changes in their local device, they need to be pushed to the remote repository so that they are shared and used by the other users. Shared by the other users. Okay. So what is the command? Git push command. So git push uh, git push set upstream. Git push set upstream. So git ups upstream, a remote branch name, remote branch. So remote branch URL and branch name. Remote branch URL, branch name. So Git branch. What is Git branch? Git branch provides you the ability to create a branches and perform risk-free development in a isolated programming space. The branch command helps you to create, delete, and list the branches. The branch command helps you to create, delete, and list the branches. It's the go-to command when it comes to the managing any aspect of your branches, no matter if in your local repository or in your remote repository. So git branch, it will create a branch. So git branch -d, it will delete the branch. Git branch, so it will create the branch. Git branch, it will delete the branch. Understood? So this is nothing but a git, and I will show you other one also.
Ari, can you share that document with us? This one you're reading from.
Yeah, I will share the document.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the Git useful commands. Right? Git useful commands. Yeah. So Git hyphen version. It shows the version of the Git installed on our machine. So which version is Git installed on our machine? How to check it? Git hyphen version command. Okay. So git hyphen version command, you will check it. Git init, something like it will initialize the project folder into a Git repository. So if you want to, if you want to create a Git local repository, how you can initialize by using the Git init. We will initialize the project folder into a Git repository, Git init. So then Git status. So we are executing the Git status, right? What is the Git status? In simple terms, it will show you exactly which folders have been modified. So untracked, tracked. So it will showing on the Git status, guys. Okay. Git add dark. So it will add all your files into the Git staging area. You can also add individual files to the staging area. For example, git add file name. Git add file name. So git add dot, it will add all the files. Add all the files. Git diff. So this is the important command, guys. Git diff, it will show the difference between a file in the staging area and file that's present in the working tree. Price working in tree. So tomorrow I will show you. So git commit hyphen m message. So it will save your changes to your local repository. How it will save? So it will save by using the git commit. So it's good practice in include proper commit message. So by using the hyphen m, it will helps to debugging. Git push. So what is the git push? It will push all the local changes that you made to the remote repository. It is a git push, git pull. So it will pull or fetch. It will pull or fetch all the updated code from the remote branch to the merge to the our local branch. Merge to the our local branch. Git log. So it will list down the entire commit history. What is the git log? It will list down the entire commit history. That is all the commits that you have made till now. It will show you. Git branch name. This command is used to create a new branch on your local Git repository. You can use the Git branch. Git branch. It will list Git branch name. It will create the branch. Or else you can use the Git checkout hyphen B branch name. Branch name. So Git branch.
Why this one is not having commands?
Sorry?
Why is this one not having commands attached to it, like Git branch name?
Yeah. So we have a branches, right? Tomorrow I will show you. Tomorrow you will understand what is a Git branch, why we need a Git branch. Okay?
Like the commands, right?
Yes. This command is used to create a new branch on our local Git repository. So Git branch, it will list down all the local branches that you created. Git branch hyphen A. It will list down all the branches, that is the local branches and remote branches that are available for the checkout. Git branch hyphen A. So git branch hyphen D name, it will forcefully delete the specified local branch, even if the changes are not committed. Git checkout hyphen branch name. It is used to switch between the local Git branches. Git stash. So it is used to temporarily remove the changes that you made on the working tree. So git stash. So tomorrow I will execute this command, guys. Git stash. So it used to temporarily remove the changes that you made on the working tree. Git remote. It will give the name of the remote repository name. Origin upstream. Git remote hyphen v. It will give the name as well as the URL of the remote repository. So if you use the git remote, it will shows the origin upstream. It will show the origin upstream. It will use the git remote hyphen v. It will give the name as well as the URL from the remote repository. Remote repository. These are the comments, guys. These are the commands. So these commands are already there in our drive, guys. In our drive. Okay.
Yeah, Harry, please. I have one thing that remains unsolved. Like on Victoria's Git bash, her commands is not writing like home. Her own is writing Victoria. Victoria, I think do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, that's the name of your personal PC.
I know. My personal PC. How did you create that Victoria there? Because that's what I'm thinking.
Well, I didn't even create it. It's just coming now.
Okay,
I
I
don't know.
think that is one of the reasons why Harry is calling me home.